Hi, welcome to our channel Vantikatech. In today's video, we will be discussing some tips for urban agriculture. Urban agriculture refers to the practice of growing food and raising livestock in cities and other urban areas. It is becoming increasingly popular as people seek to reconnect with their food and reduce their environmental footprint. However, urban agriculture also presents unique challenges, such as limited space and soil quality, as well as zoning and regulatory issues. Here are some tips to help you start your own urban agriculture project. Tip number 1, start small. Urban agriculture can be done on any scale, from a small windowsill herb garden to a full-blown rooftop farm. Start with a small project and gradually expand as you gain experience and confidence. Tip number 2, choose the right plants. Some plants are better suited to urban environments than others. Choose plants that are hardy, disease-resistant, and can grow in containers or small spaces. Herbs, salad greens, and tomatoes are all good options. Tip number 3, use the right soil. Urban soil is often contaminated with heavy metals and other pollutants, so it is important to use clean soil or potting mix. You can also use raised beds or containers to grow your plants. Tip number 4, use vertical space. In urban environments, space is at a premium. Consider using vertical space by growing plants on trellises or walls. This can also provide shade and reduce heat island effects. Tip number 5, get creative with containers. Almost anything can be used as a container for plants, from traditional pots to repurposed items like old buckets or gutters. Just make sure the container has adequate drainage and is large enough for the plant to grow. Tip number 6, consider companion planting. Companion planting involves planting different crops together that benefit each other. For example, planting herbs with tomatoes can repel pests and improve the flavor of the tomatoes. Tip number 7, use organic methods. Urban agriculture can be done without the use of harmful chemicals. Use organic methods like composting, crop rotation, and natural pest control to keep your plants healthy and productive. By following these tips, you can start your own urban agriculture project and enjoy fresh, healthy produce right from your own backyard. And not only that, but you'll also be contributing to a more sustainable and resilient food system. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on agriculture and sustainability. Thanks for watching.